had that much money to waste.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Really good. Them are really coming out of some good size.
You already seen the ones a while ago. I know they were beautiful. It's like down the river.
That was good timing. I wonder if the cops are freaking out.
That one year we had some bottle rockets, and I guess one of them landed on a neighbor's house.
Here you go, Desiree.
I wonder if they're gonna allow this next year.
I hope so.
Cause like, someone's gotta be stupid, you know. I wonder if people actually end up in the ER.
Y'all don't get to see that on the 4th up in Alaska because it's daylight all the time.
Yeah, no, like New Year's is a big deal, but I don't know. There's still nothing quite like the city fireworks. Like even Alabama's weren't that great.
This is the best we've seen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because they're legalized, isn't it? I didn't know they legalized them just a day or two ago.
Well, yeah, but see, the kind they legalize is what they're. These kind here, those are illegal.
No, I think they're legalized.
No.
Yeah, they made them legal this year.
They made them legal, but not the ones that you're seeing like that. Those are dangerous. They're not going to legalize something like that.